Welcome to A/B test. To view results of your A/B tests, select Check Results. Here we can see the progress for our current A/B tests as well as a breakdown for past tests. If a send is currently in progress, that test will say Test in Progress and will show the progress of that send. For our latest test, for example, we can see that the first send has already gone out and we are only waiting on the second test, scheduled for a later date. You can cancel a send as long as all test sends have not yet gone out. If we scroll down, we can view a completed send. We can see a comparison of their results, which in this case is their open rates. To view a full breakdown, select View Full Breakdown. Now we can see a summary of the criteria used for this A/B test, and we can see a comparison of their delivered, opens, and clicks. To see the analytics report for this test, click the analytics icon top right of the tile. Here we are. This is how you view the progress and results of your A/B tests.